In this video, we are going to review appointment booking system for desktop, PC, and MacBook. So, as you can see, the CureCast is a cloud-based application. So, any data entered by one staff member can be reviewed by other staff member real time, provided he has the credential. The app works exactly the same on desktop, PC, MacBook, Android mobile app, iPhone mobile app, Android tablet app, and iPad. So that is the reason it is extremely important because you can review uh, your calendar status real time. Now, we are going in the next stage, we are going to review how appointment booking is done and how you can manage different appointment status. So you can open any browser, either Safari, Chrome, or Opera. So I open Google Chrome, type your curecasthealth.com. You need to log in with doctor's login. Once you sign up, you will get your credential. After you log in the left side there is a menu with the different modules. So third menu is appointment module. So let's click appointment. Under appointment, you can see it has a list of staff and doctors. So you can, if you want, you can add more staff members and you can manage appointments by staff, by different doctors. So we can easily go to settings, add a new doctor or staff, and you can click here and add new doctor. Okay, so let's go back to appointment module. Now, as you can see, here it displays the doctor's name and number of appointments for today. So there are three views. One is daily view, there is a weekly view, and there is a monthly view. Now you can change month from here. Okay. You can click back today and come this month. There is a print option which allows you to print appointment by date or by week or by tomorrow. You can also print appointments by doctor's name. On the right side, you have an option to add walk-in appointment. Optionally, if you look at the weekly view, you can click on any slot and add appointment for that week and that time. So let's say if you want to add an appointment for, let's say, next week, Thursday 28, 2 p.m. If you click here, by default it selects the date and time, 28 and 2 p.m. The way you add appointment is first you don't want to add duplicate patients. So you search by phone number, and if patient exists, it will show you that show you the name. Okay. So the ideal way to avoid duplicates is to find patient by their phone number, and you select the patient. It also displays patient last appointment. You can select the staff member from here. Okay. Services are optional, but if you select a service, it changes the default duration of the appointment. So let's say for EMS sculpting, it's a 30 or 45 minutes. So default duration comes 30 minutes. And if you want, you can change date and time. You can add notes. And if you want, you can send SMS, email, or WhatsApp reminder to the patient. So when you click save, the appointment is booked, and patient will get an SMS that appointment is booked with this clinic. I will show you the format of the SMS and email um, after some time in this video. So let's save this. Okay, so appointment is added successfully. Now, if you scroll down, we have added appointment for, I guess, for next week, right? Yes, next week, 2 p.m. So here it is. Now, if you want, you can change the status of the appointment as well. But let's go back to today's appointments. You can see at the right side that it displays all appointments. So in today's schedule, there are total 10 appointments booked for all the staff members. And if you look at the daily calendar, all the staff name is highlighted by color. So if we look at John Doe, green color is associated with them. For David, it is purple. For Jessica, it's blue. So if you look at all doctors, we can identify which appointments belong to whom. And there are different status of the appointments. So there are 10 appointments, out of which all of the appointments, there are two patients waiting outside within the clinic, and zero engaged, and 8 patients already checked out. So let's book a new appointment for today, and let's search for a number. Let's say this number doesn't exist, that means we need to add a new patient. And we add a phone number. This phone number and email ID is optional, but it is advisable to add phone number, so you can search patient by phone. You can select doctor and staff. You can select the timing and duration, and you can just book an appointment. So I booked appointment for today, right? Um, let's assume this patient checks in, so we can say checked in, and then this number increased from 2 to 3. So there are total 3 patients waiting within the clinic, and once patient is engaged with the doctor, you can change the status to engaged. So now you know that this patient is with the doctor in consultation room. So it is here in engaged. And when patient checked out, you can update the status as checked out. And as you can see, the patient is checked out. Now, once patient checked out, you can also add billing any prescription from here. So I can click on add bill, and you can search billing item, add cost, and let's say patient is not paying anything right now. So if we go back to appointment and see the balance, it shows that this much amount is due. And you same way you can add prescription as well from here. So this module is very well integrated with billing any prescription. As you can see. Right. So you can view bill and view prescription from here for this patient. You can view the billing details, and you can also view prescription details from here. Now you can also open this patient file and see their appointment history. As we can see, there is only one appointment here.
I didn't.
But if you go back and see some old patient, you can view their entire appointment history by date and time. You can also view their billing history, their prescription history, their files, and their case history as well. So it is the patient files is integrated with appointment module. Now let's see how we can change the status of appointment module. So let's book a new appointment for, let's say, Jane. It also shows you the last and upcoming appointments of this patient, and it also tells you that appointments are conflicting with other patient, but it still allows you to book the appointment. So I'll go ahead and book the appointment. Now click on the appointment here, and I have already shown you how you can add bill, you can add prescription. Now you can also reschedule the appointment from here. So if you want, you can change the staff name. You can also change the date or time. Let's say later today. You can also send SMS to the patient for reschedule and save. So as you can see, the appointment is moved to 8 p.m. right? And you also have an option to cancel the appointment. So appointment can be cancelled by doctor or by patient. You can notify patient by SMS, and you can cancel the appointment. So there is a strike through here. You can undo the cancellation as well. You can also change the status to no show. So if patient is not showed up in the clinic, you can click on no show, and status which will be changed to no show. So it will appear here as a red no show appointments. So this is how you can maintain different appointment status um, of the appointment. You can move this cursor here and see tomorrow's appointment schedule. You can also move cursor from here and see the appointment schedule for tomorrow. When you add a new appointment, it reflects as N. Okay. Um, Now let's go to settings and see how appointment settings work. So you can set a default appointment duration, let's say 45 minutes. So all of the appointments have a default time duration as 45 minutes. Now you can notify patients either both, like you can set an appointment a day prior to the appointment, either at 8 a.m., 1 p.m. or 6 p.m. Or you can also send an appointment message on the same day at 8 a.m. There are 4 actions at which you can send SMS, either at appointment confirmation when you book an appointment reminder, which is on the same day of appointment or a day prior, when you reschedule an appointment or when you cancel an appointment. There is a fixed template which is used to send SMS. In this fixed template, the doctor name, date, clinic contact number, and directions link is changed. So direction link will help patient to navigate through your address, which you can set up. You can go to clinic setup and set your address here. So patient will um, find your geolocation based on the address which is mentioned in a clinic setup. So this is our appointment module which works exactly the same on a mobile app and tablet app. So in this video, in the description, you can check out our mobile application video as well. And do let us know your feedback. And if you have any query, we can schedule a demo and we can help you to get started. Thank you.